heading to a buddy's house. It's got a nice Jeep. We're gonna pull the motor out of it and pull it apart and see what went wrong with it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we made it here to Arod Off-Road's house. We're gonna go pull this thing apart.
This is the project for the night. Gotta clean my camera. Still sucks. What do you think of this thing, Dylan? Got an LS Turbo 400. Pretty sweet little Jeep. We'll set you guys up with a time lapse. Insert time lapse.
I think this thing's pretty sweet.
Pretty sweet little Jeep. Set you guys up with a time lapse.
She's really jammed up in there, Bod.
Yeah, she's pretty tight.
Ain't nothing you can't do, huh, Bass?
Finished up at Arod's, getting some diesel. Ready to head home. Got some horses at the gas station. Nice little Friday. What you got, Dylan?
Horses in the bag, 777s in black.
So we pulled Arod's motor apart. Cam's flat in it. We're gonna get us a big mother thumper to put in it.
She's got a flat cam.
How flat?
Flatter than a doormat.
This guy don't know what he's talking about. We're gonna put that big mother thumper camshaft up in her, get her some chop to her. Should sound pretty good when she's all done.
It'll sound pretty good.
That's it for the night. We're going home. Well, I thought my adventure was over for the night, but I got a call 12 o'clock from my buddy Gavin. He just blew his belt on his razor in the bottom of the riverbed. I'll go see if I can save him. I grabbed a belt from the shelf. Go out here and see what kind of trouble we can get ourselves into in the old daily driver. Should be a fun little adventure. Running this one solo. Dylan's not with me. I'll keep you posted. Show you guys some fun times down in the river. think that was the right belt, but it's moving. Well, that didn't last long. What happened, bud?
It blew up again.
Oh, I had to come rescue fucking Gavin, bud. He blew his fucking belt. Put one on it and he blew that one too. Fucking guy. Can't get a break. Can't even go to sleep. Well, that's it. Another successful Kings River recovery in the books. If you guys like what you see, like and subscribe.